Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to collab posts on Instagram. So you can do that easily by simple steps. So first of all, of course, you'll need Instagram application on your phone. If you don't have that, just go and download it through Play Store if you have an Android or App Store if you have an iPhone. Then all you need to do, just go and sign in to create your account or log in. Then let's get straight to it. First of all, if we want to collab a post on Instagram, all we need to do first is to have a post on our profile. If you don't have that, just go and add a post on your Instagram account. Then all we need to do, first of all, if you don't know how to add a post, just click on the plus icon on the top right corner and create maybe a reel, a post. Let's just say, for example, a post. Just allow Instagram to use your gallery. Let's say, for example, I want to post this picture. Just click on next and next. Then, okay, let's click on OK. As you can see, if you have here, if you have an account that you can switch on Instagram, you will be able to share it with other accounts if you just enable this option. As you can see, to share to other Instagram accounts, add the account to your account center. So if you just add it to your account center, if you are able to switch accounts between from one phone, you will be able to share to another account. If you don't want to do that, and if you want to collab post on Instagram, just click add tag people and click and just click on invite collaborator. As you can see now, you can type whatever user you want. So let's say, for example, I will just be nice with all. So let's say, for example, I will just invite this one to collab with this post. All I need to do, just type his name, and as you can see, when I type his name, he appears here. Then I click on it. After I click on it, it will appear here at my post. All I need to do now, just click on the check mark and he will be tagged on my post. And that's how you collab posts on Instagram. So then all you need to do, just click on the check mark and post your post on your profile. So that's it for this video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.